Breitenbach with the BAT team here at our new private exclusive. Really excited about this one. Right behind me, you got Noyac Golf Course. This house abuts it directly. It's 6,100 square feet in total. Modern amenities inside, traditional exterior, really beautiful new construction developed by Farrell Building Company. What's also great about this is on your 1.5 acre property, you got tennis, basketball court in the front, you got golf in the back. Nothing beats it. Turnkey ready to go. Let us know. Come see it.